Hi, good morning friends. Today we will discuss about the continuity which will come under the Karnataka CET or JEE Mains. Before going to solve some MCQ on the continuity, just we will recall some synopsis what will come under the continuity. First one is that what is the continuity at x equal to some point. Okay. Now a function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to c if limit of a function at c is equal to the value of the function at c. Limit should be exist. Then only we can say that the function is continuous at x equal to c. Okay. And if it is a continuous in the closed interval a comma b means, if it is a continuous, the function f of x is continuous in this interval means it must and should continuous at all the point of this interval. If it is continuous at every point of closed interval a comma b, okay, then only we can say that it is a continuous in this interval. Next, second point is that if limit extends to c, f of x is not equal to f of c, the value of the function, the limit of the function at c is not equal to value of the function at c, not equal means, then we can say that then f of x is discontinuous at x equal to c. Okay, it is a discontinuous. If it is limit is not equal to value of the function, not equal means that is a discontinuous at that point. Next, if f is continuous at x equal to c, and one more function g is continuous at f of c, then f composite g is, we have to read like this, f composite g is continuous at x equal to c. The composite function, when f is continuous at x equal to c, g is continuous at f of c, then f composite g is continuous at x equal to c. This is one conclusion statement. Next, we know that the polynomial function is always continuous for all value of x. That only state. A polynomial in x is always continuous for all x. Okay. Next one is every constant function is continuous on R, because whatever you can give the input, the output will be some constant. It means that you will get a straight line. It is always continuous. Constant function is always continuous for all the real values. Okay, let you move on to the next one. Okay, next point is that the function sin x and cos x are continuous at all the value of real numbers. Okay, now do you know that what is the graph of the sine function? This is for all the value of real numbers, it is a continuous. Okay, na? Range is a -1 to 1. Every real number there is a value. Okay, na? If it is a 90 something, 90 is 1, for 0 is a 0, something continuous. Same way cos x also continuous, all the value of real numbers. Okay, now the function tan x and secant x are continuous of set of real number except odd multiple of pi by 2. Why odd multiple of pi by 2? Do you know that tan x means that sin x by cos x? The 1 by cos secant x means. Okay. In this cos x, if it is a denominator is 0, if you are getting it is not defined. It is not defined. That's why when it will get a 0, cos 90 is a 0. 90, then 270, like that. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay, na? 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, or all value it is a 0. Okay, na? Except this value, it is a defined. It is a continuous. Tan x is a continuous. In the same way cos is there, in the second also 1 by cos is a second. In the denominator, if you are getting a 0, when you fill the value of the odd multiple of pi by 2, that's why except that values, the tan x and secant x are the continuous. Okay, na? In the same way, where n is an integer, in the same way cot x and cosecant x. What is the cot x is a cos by sin. cos x by sin x, then that is a 1 by sin x. When the sin x is 0, sin 0, sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, like that it is become 0. When in the denominator you are getting a 0, it is not defined. Okay na? That's what the cot x and cosecant x is continuous for all the value of real number except multiple of n pi. Okay na? Where n is integer, in the which value it is not defined, which value it is not continuous, except the value of 0 pi, except s 0 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, all the value it is not a continuous. It is a continuous of all the real number except this. Okay, next, the function f of x is mod x and exponential function of e to the power of x and exponential form a to the power of x are all continuous in R. Do you know how to get a graph is done? It is like this. You will get it graph. Okay na? It is a continuous. The mod x, how you will get it? It is a get like this. Mod x you will get it like this. It is a continuous. Mod x also continuous. Okay na? In all the value of the real numbers. Then the function greatest integer function. The function f of x is equal to greatest integer function is always continuous in non-integral values. Okay na? Do you know that from 1 to 2, from 1 point greater than 1 to less up to 1.9, 1 to 1.9, what is the greatest integer? It will come to 1 only. It is a continuous in where? In non-integral values. But if it is from 1 to 1.9, okay, 1.99 it is come to 1, it is a continuous. But if we go to 2, the output will become 2, 2.1 become 2, like that. Okay na? Where it is a discontinuous, it is a discontinuous. Greatest integer function is discontinuous of all the integral value. It is a discontinuous. It is a continuous non-integral values. It is a continuous at non-integral value. It is a discontinuous at integral value. At integer it is a discontinuous. At non-integers it is a continuous. Okay na? These are a few points you should remember to solve the MCQ on the continuity. Okay. Next class we will meet to solve the MCQ on the continuity. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me continue in the next class.